Welcome to the top best. The best Ski Scraper Sharpener is probably one of the most essential tools for any skier or snowboarder looking to maintain their gear for optimal performance on the slopes, ensuring a smooth and exhilarating ride every time you hit the mountain. This device is designed to keep your skis or snowboard edges in pristine condition, allowing for better grip, control, and overall enjoyment of your winter sports experience, making it a must-have for enthusiasts of all levels. Number 5. Winterial Snowboard and Ski Tuning Kit. Get everything you need for perfect tuning with this comprehensive kit. It includes all the essential tools for maintaining your gear. Achieve sharp edges with our multi-angle tuner, allowing you to set precise angles for maximum control. This ensures your equipment is always ready for the slopes. Our adjustable temperature iron and all-weather wax provide a smooth glide that lasts. It's designed to perform in any snow condition, all season long. Proper tuning significantly boosts your control and speed on the mountain. It also extends the life of your equipment and enhances your overall safety. This kit is designed for convenience. All the tools fit neatly into a durable carry bag, making it easy to tune your gear anywhere, anytime. What we like. This kit offers everything you need for a complete ski and snowboard tune-up. It's perfect for those who want a comprehensive solution in one package. If you're looking for a convenient, all-in-one solution for at-home tuning, this is the kit for you. What people say. The sharpener is easy to use and produces a clean edge. It works well on both skis and snowboards. The compact design makes it convenient for travel. Number 4. XCMAN Alpine Ski and Snowboard Base Wax Scraper 2 PCS. Introducing our durable wax scrapers, designed to last. They are built tough and won't break easily, ensuring reliable performance. Experience precision with these expertly crafted tools. Their smooth, square, and straight edges efficiently remove excess wax from your ski and snowboard bases. These scrapers are sharp and durable, ready for any waxing job. Plus, they can be easily resharpened to maintain their effectiveness. Featuring a handy corner notch, these tools make cleaning your edges simple and effective. We recommend using these over steel scrapers for wax removal. They effectively remove just the wax, protecting your equipment. Conveniently portable and easy to carry, this economical two-piece set offers great value and saves you money. What we like. These scrapers are built to last and won't damage your ski bases like metal ones can. They are designed for efficient wax removal. If you prioritize the longevity of your equipment and want a cost-effective way to maintain your skis or snowboard, these are an excellent choice. What people say. It has a notch in the corner to scrape wax off of the edge of the board. The scraper is a large size which is very convenient. They are substantially built to be able to scrape without bending or breaking. They have a notch in the corner that you can use to clean up your ski edges. Number 3. Demon United Ski Snowboard Wax Brush Kit. Get the ultimate wax and tune job with this comprehensive kit. It includes all the brushes you need, plus a metal scraper and edge file for complete customization. Start your waxing process with the 10mm brass brush. It's designed to renew your base structure and open up the pores, preparing it perfectly for wax application. Easily remove excess wax during the tuning process with the stiff 10mm nylon brush. It effectively clears away the bulk of the wax for a clean finish. For precise finishing, use the 8mm horsehair brush. It gently removes wax from your ski or snowboard base structure, ensuring optimal performance. Take your tuning to the next level with the included metal scraper and edge file. They offer ultimate tuning options and are perfect for PTEX repairs. This kit provides everything you need for professional level ski and snowboard tuning. It even comes with a convenient carry case to keep everything organized. What we like. This kit provides a variety of brushes for different stages of the waxing process, from opening pores to final buffing. It also includes essential metal scraping and edge filing tools. If you're serious about achieving optimal glide and want a professional level tune with all necessary brushes and tools, this kit is ideal. What people say. Different brushes are great for wax removal and application. The metal edging tool can damage your board, so please keep it angled correctly and don't use too much force. The brushes are big enough to cover a good amount of surface on snowboards, making the job easier. I use the softest brush to get rid of loose dirt prior to adding new wax and smooth out the new wax at the very end. I use the brass brush to scrape up the old wax still on the board, and use the nylon brush to brush off the old wax before applying the new wax treatment. I also use the nylon brush after scraping the new wax off to get rid of the remaining loose wax flakes. I like that it comes with the 3 brushes, where I use the brass brush to clean the board before waxing, and then I use nylon brush followed by horsehair brush to finish it off after scraping off the wax. Number 2. Swix Sharpener for Plexi Ski Snowboard Wax Scrapers. Introducing the Swix Sharpener, designed to keep your wax scrapers in top condition. This simple tool ensures your gear is always ready for the slopes. You can use this sharpener by hand for quick touch-ups, or mount it to your workbench for more stability. It offers flexibility to suit your needs. Featuring a 90-degree angle body paired with a durable panzer file, it provides precise sharpening every time. Achieve professional results with ease. This tool is incredibly easy to use and just as simple to clean. Spend less time on maintenance and more time enjoying the snow. From a brand trusted since 1946, this sharpener is part of our commitment to quality ski goods. We aim to make your time on the snow better. What we like. This tool is designed to easily maintain the sharpness of your wax scrapers. It can be used handheld or mounted for stability. If you value simplicity and consistent results in keeping your scrapers in top condition, this is a straightforward and effective solution. What people say. This little thing will keep your wax scrapers sharp. It gets the job done perfectly fine. My scrapers stay perfectly sharp now, and scraping the hard waxes is a breeze. Definitely recommended for anyone who tunes frequently. Considering cost, weight and ease of use, I find this Plexi scraper a needed addition to the ski toolbox. I find this gives better results. Dull Plexi scrapers make the already boring job of waxing miserable. Keep them sharp. Number 1. Swix World Cup Plexi Scraper Sharpener, Manual, Red. This tool is designed to restore a true 90-degree edge on your acrylic wax scrapers. This ensures consistent and effective wax removal every time. Experience the same quality used by professional race technicians. It's perfect for maintaining sharp edges between waxing sessions. Using it is straightforward. Simply clamp your scraper and draw it through the sharpening guide. You'll get a fresh, sharp edge in no time. It works with all your Plexi scrapers, regardless of thickness. Whether you have 3mm, 4mm, or 5mm acrylic scrapers, it's compatible with Swix and other brands. This is a Scandinavian tuning tool from Swix, a brand with decades of experience. They've supported World Cup racing since 1946, ensuring top-notch quality. What we like. This sharpener is used by professionals to ensure a perfect 90-degree edge on your scrapers for optimal wax removal. It's manual and easy to operate. If you demand professional-grade performance and want to ensure your scrapers are always perfectly tuned for consistent waxing, this is the tool for you. What people say. Keeps the scrapers sharp and definitely helps with a cleaner scrape. Mounts nicely too. 1 or 2 passes and I have a crisp Plexi edge. Wax scraping takes half the time and effort. Must-have tool for home shop ski tuning. This really is the only sharpener that functions as it should. It gives you sharp 90-degree even surface. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.